To make a treasure map, sketch your map out on a piece of plain white paper. Add features like a compass rose, landmarks, a path to get to the treasure, and of course an X to mark the spot where the treasure is buried. Once you're satisfied with your design, go over it in ink. You might use black ink for most of the features on the map, and red for things like the X. If you want to make your map look old, tear off the edges of the paper to give it a worn look. Wipe both sides of the paper with a wet tea bag to make it look brown and stained. Crumple the paper, then unfold it and brush it with a little cooking oil. Blot the excess oil away and let the map dry. This should age your map a bit more and leave it feeling slightly stiff and crunchy.